He is playing.
He has been playing for an hour.
He is riding.
He has been riding for an hour.
Okay. He is drawing.
He has been drawing for an hour.
Okay, fine. He is swimming.
He has been swum for an hour.
He has been swum for an hour. Incorrect. He has been swimming for an hour. He is driving.
He has been driving for an hour.
Correct. He is playing.
He has been playing for an hour.
Correct. He is watching television.
He has been watching television for an hour.
Fine. He is sitting down here
He has been sitting down there for an hour.
for an hour. He is drawing a picture.
He has been drawing a picture for
Okay, fine. He is telling a story.
He has been telling a story for an hour.
Fine. It is raining now.
It has been raining there for a while.
No. Okay, again.
It has been raining there for a while.
Okay, it's okay. He is working.
He has been working for 8 hours.
Fine. He is sleeping.
He has been sleeping for an hour.
Okay, pause. He is driving a car.
He's been driving a car for an hour.
He is waiting there.
He has been waiting there for an hour.
He is working in this factory.
He's been working in this factory since morning.
Okay, fine. He is catching fish.
He has been catching fish for an hour.
He is flying a kite.
He has been flying a kite for an hour.
He is sweeping the house.
In the house for an hour.
Fine. He is exercising in a gym.
He has been exercising in a gym for an hour.
Fine. He is flying a plane.
He has been flying a plane for an hour.
He is teaching English.
He has been teaching English for an hour.
He is learning English here.
He has been learning English here for an hour.
Okay. He is finding a book.
He has been finding a book for an hour.